All right, so we just removed this cylinder. This is called a mortise cylinder. This is the old one. And then this is the new one that I'm about to install. So I kept the ring around it, the cover. Let's see, then we gotta install the new one. That looks about straight. Yeah, that looks straight. Okay. Let's see. Tighten the screw up. Alright, let's see if the new keys work. If it's too tight, I'll have to loosen it. All right, sir, are you done with that?
Yeah, you said you just need me to sign it, or do you need to add
I would need you to
the cost
sign
of the keys on there?
Oh, I didn't do that yet. Yeah. Signature here, I'm gonna add it right now.
Okay.
Well, you know what? Don't worry about it. Yeah, I'll take care of it. Don't worry about it.
It's hot out there. You want a bottle of cold water?
No, I'm good. I got a Gatorade.
Sure.
I appreciate you, though.
So you just need me to sign it?
Yes, sir. Signature at the bottom, and then I'm gonna head and go get the keys. I tested everything, make sure everything was working fine and smooth. Yeah. I'll take that. Doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
All right. I'll be right back. Okay.
Thank you much.
What did you guys want to do with your old lock? Do you want to dispose of it, or I mean, maybe you guys need it? I don't know. Here you go.
You know what? I don't know, but I'll hold on to it.
Okay. Yeah, it still works. I mean, yeah. Okay, sir. I'll see you shortly.